Hi students, good morning to one and all. Today now discuss about the unit 5th cell structure and functions. The chapter 11 cell cycle and cell division. Today onwards discuss about the cell cycle. Dear students, this is a one plant cell cycle. In generally, the plant body is made up of a group of cells or more than two cells. So, in this plant cell cycle consisting of mainly two phases, they are namely first phase interphase, second phase M phase. The interphase is also known as a resting phase. M phase is also known as a mitosis phase. Mitosis phase. So, dear students, cell cycle is also renamed interphase. Does not really involve rest. So, dear students, the interphase also called phase of non-apparent division, through called the resting phase. The interphase in generally by means the nucleus is not divided before the cell division, and is the time during which the cell is preparing for division. Cell is preparing for division by undergoing both cell growth and DNA replication. In generally, a single cell containing cell wall, cell membrane consisting of cytoplasm, and cytoplasm including rich content largest cell organelle, that is nucleus. So, in this nucleus will be containing chromosomes or DNAs Okay, now that is undergoing both cell growth and DNA replication. So, dear students, in this interphase is divided into three substages. They are namely first substage G1 phase, second substage S phase, third substage G2 phase. Okay, now. So, G1 phase, that is first gap period. This is a first gap period. S phase, synthesis phase. DNA is synthesized. G2 phase, second gap period phase. Okay, now the interphase is divided into three substages. They are namely first one G1 phase by means first gap period phase. Okay, now second one S phase, that is synthesis phase. DNA is synthesized, DNA is replicated. There is no increasing of chromosome numbers, only increasing of the cells. Third phase G2 phase, that is second gap period phase. So, discuss about one by one. The first one G1 phase are here. So, dear students, this is a G1 phase and this is a S phase and this is a G2 phase, totally occupying in the interphase. Now, it corresponds to the interval between mitosis, M phase, mitosis, and the initiation of DNA replication. That is G1 phase. It corresponds to the interval between M phase, that is mitosis, and initiation of DNA replication, that is interphase. So in this, the cell is metabolically active. G1 phase, the cell is metabolically active. Cells are metabolically active in first gap period phase and continuously grows. Cells is continuously grows in this G1 phase. So in this G1 phase, cells metabolically active and continuously grow. Next coming to S phase. This is a S phase or synthesis phase. Okay now, synthesis phase marks the period during which DNA synthesis or replication takes place. DNA is synthesized by means one DNA is modified to two DNAs, but there is no increasing of the chromosome numbers. Offline number of chromosomes. Next coming to same offline number of chromosomes. Diploid number of chromosomes. Next coming to diploid number of chromosomes. So there is no increase in the number of chromosomes. There is no increase in the number of chromosomes. If offline number of chromosomes, then after to be present offline number of chromosomes. The diploid number of chromosomes after to be produced to diploid number of chromosomes. But here only increase the cells. Only increase the cells in S phase. By means two cells become four cells. 2C means two cells become four cells. 4C. There is no increase the number of chromosomes or there is no increase chromosome numbers. Only increase cells. Two cells become four cells. Four cells becomes 8 cells. That is 2C become 4C. Two cells become four cells. That is S phase. That is S phase. And next coming to third phase, G2 phase. So proteins are synthesized. Already G1 phase, the cells metabolically active and continuously grow. By means proteins is also synthesized. At the same G2 phase, proteins are synthesized in preparation for mitosis. Proteins are synthesized again next coming phase, that is mitosis phase. So in preparation for mitosis, which cell growth continuous, by means G1 phase after S phase after completed G2 phase. So this is a well known of interphase or resting phase. Next coming to increasing of M phase, that is mitosis phase. So in this mitosis phase are having to four phases. One is prophase, second one is metaphase, third one is anaphase, fourth one is telophase. So these phases also occurs in the karyokinesis. So M phase consisting of two stages. One is karyokinesis, second one is cytokinesis. Okay now, karyokinesis by means first the division of nucleus, that is karyokinesis. So in this karyokinesis to be occupying four phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. So by means the nucleus of chromosomes is divided, is split to be formed daughter chromosomes. One parent cell is divided, into two daughter cells. Okay now, one parent cell. So this is a parent cell. This parent cell undergoes interphase and M phase to be form of two daughter cells. After completion of M phase, that is karyokinesis, that is cytokinesis. Karyokinesis means the first divided nucleus. Cytokinesis means the second divided cytoplasm. That is cytokinesis. Anyhow, completion of karyokinesis and cytokinesis to be make a two daughter cells. So anyhow, in the plant cell cycle, one parent cell is divided into two equal daughter cells. Same number of the chromosomes are passing from parent cell to two daughter cells. So the diploid number of chromosomes is passed to parent to offsprings or daughter cells. Why? Because it will be containing would be containing or would be cell division, that is M phase or mitosis phase. So anyhow, the cell cycle would be containing two phases. One is interphase, second one is M phase. Second one is M phase. This is about the cell cycle, especially the plant cell cycle. So the plant cell cycle are renamed as interphase. Does not really involve rest. Does not really involve rest. So that is cell cycle. Okay, now thank you.